In 1967, the BBC asked the Beatles to write one song for the entire planet. John Lennon answered with All You Need Is Love, performed live on Our World, the first global satellite TV broadcast. Today, we're bringing that world-changing song down to earth and learning it on our ukulele. In this ukulele lesson, I'm going to show you the chords. We'll strum it together all the way through, and I'm going to teach you these tasty licks that you can add to the arrangement to make it much more like the original. Chords, lyrics, and the tablature are going to be shown right here on the screen, but you can get a printable version by clicking the link in the video description below. Let's start with a classic and very witty introduction, first in single notes, then I'll show you how to play it as a chord solo. As a chord solo, and there you're right into the second part of the introduction. Second part of the introduction, we're just singing the top of the chords. The E minor is strummed in a measure of 3/4. So we play love, love, 1, 2, 3. Love, 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 2, 3. Then we move on to A minor and we sing this melody. Love, love, love. Play the whole thing together. By the way, practice all of these at the bonus lessons down below. Get full tablatures and all the perks. 1, 2, 3. Love, love, love. Love, love, love. Love, love, love. And then we get to this part. Now, before we sing and strum the whole song, there is one tricky part that I want to offer you some options. When you get to the end of the introduction and the end to the verse, you have this little thing. It's easy. And there are actually 4 ways to play that. We practice it in the bonus lessons down below. I'm going to outline them right now, and then after we practice it, we'll play the whole song together. The easiest, most straightforward way is just to strum the chords. D, D7, D6, open D7, and then you would go back into it. So that'll sound like this. It's easy. If you're playing a low G ukulele, you can add that melody right here. Back on your G chord to sing the next verse. If you're playing a high G ukulele, you'll want to avoid that low G and play it right here. You can also put those same melody notes on top of chords and make a chord strum melody. My favorite way to play it is to borrow from the chord melody version where I'm pinching, that would be playing 2 notes at a time, harmonies of 6s. Okay, I know that's a lot to practice. Choose whichever version you want, repeat it 3 or 4 times, so when we get to that section of the song, you know exactly what to do. And one last little tip, when you get to the top of this, there's no need to hop back to the G chord. Instead, stay up here and do this. I'll break it down in a moment. There's nothing you can do that can't be done. You just played this gorgeous little melodic thing. When you get to the top, stay there, and what you're going to do is you're going to pluck the open G string, high or low G string, on the word nothing. There's nothing you can do. Right on do, you're on your D chord. That saves you a whole lot of stress getting back to your G chord, and it allows that melodic moment to really shine. There is one more really tasty lick that you can add to the chorus. We practice this in the bonus content down below. All you need is love, you play. All you need is love. Now what I'm playing are these notes. Alright, just coming down from the 5th fret to the 4th fret to the 3rd fret to the 2nd fret, and I make sure that I land on the last note with my ring finger that sets up the G chord. Pick, pick, pull off, pick. Won't be long before it's just part of what you do. All you need is love, love. Love is all you need. Let's play the whole song together. If you're digging this video so far, please reach out, give it a thumbs up. Please share this video with your friends and leave a comment down below. Let me know what is your favorite Beatles moment of all time, if you can pick one. I would love to make a video lesson for your favorite Beatles moment. Let me know in the comments down below. Please sign the mailing list. There are links in the description down below. You'll get a little gift when you sign up, and be sure to click the links, check out the benefits of membership. You'll get access to a whole bunch of bonus content each and every month. All right, the cameras are rolling for this very first ever international satellite television broadcast. Can you imagine such a thing? What a moment. 1, 2, 3. Nothing you can do that can't be done. There's nothing you can sing that can't be sung. Nothing you can say, but you can learn how to play the game. It's easy. Nothing you can make that can't be made. Nothing you can save that can't be saved. Nothing you can do, but you can learn how to be you in time. It's easy. All you need is love. All you need is love. All you need is love. Love. Love is all you need. All you need is love. All you need is love. All you need is love. Love. Love is all you need. Nothing you can know that isn't known. Nothing you can see that isn't shown. Nowhere you can be that isn't where you're meant to be. It's easy. All you need is love. All you need is love. All you need is love. Love. Love is all you need. Again. All you need is love. Everybody now. All you need is love. All you need is love. Love. Love is all you need. 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 Love Love is all you need. Love is all you need. Just ride it out on one chord. All your friends can play this while you pick a little on top. Thanks for watching. I am so grateful that you spent the time to learn this tune with me. Click right here to watch another tutorial. Wishing you and your family lots of love, many blessings. Look forward to seeing you in another video sometime soon.